Hello, bonsai friends. Here we meet again in Buxifolia channel. And today, I'm going to tell the story of how I made this Neea buxifolia from cutting. It was started around 10 years ago. So, please enjoy. In 2009, I went to New Orleans and Louisiana. I happened to see old oak trees that had very impressive shapes. They grow so huge, gigantically, with a very large spanning. I was so much impressed. I thought it could be a very good inspiration in my bonsai designing. I started the cutting of a Neea in 2010, and here was the shape in 2012. It grew wide with a lot of foliages. I cut off the unnecessary part, and here was the shape after cutting. I took it out of the pot, arranged the roots, and also wired some branches. I planted the Neea in a big training pot. It was done to quicken the growth of the tree, and I purposely let the apex grow taller just to thicken the trunk. But on top, I just let it divide it into 3 branches, just to get it taper later on. It was the shape of the tree in 2017. The trunk was already thicker. Anyhow, I wanted to cut off the upper trunk just to change the apex with one branch growing to the left. It was the shape of the tree after cutting. The flow was better, I thought. And then I did some wiring and a little bit cutting. The Neea grew wild with a lot of foliages. It was the picture in 2018. I made some pruning and cleaning the unnecessary part. Look, the trunk was beautiful, with nice shape and also a good tapering. It was the shape of the plant in 2020. I let the branches grow long, and also I managed to make the apex round. I thought it was time to repot it into a smaller bonsai pot. I chose this one for temporary. The Neea grew like weeds, so I had to make some cutting and cleaning. For temporary, this is the shape of the Neea after pruning and cleaning some of the leaves. Anyhow, the shape is not yet perfect. This is too much going down, so I'm going to put some wires to raise it up and also arrange some of the branches to create a better picture. We have changed the pot into a thinner, and the color is more suitable for the tree. We rearranged already the branches and twigs so that they look more neat and also in a better position. I think it fulfills my dream of an old tree that I saw in New Orleans during the BCI Convention some time ago. It is a small plant, but it has the grandeur of an old tree. So I think it is just a nice example for designing a tree into an old oak tree. So what do you think? I hope you enjoy my presentation, and thank you very much for watching the video, and we'll see you again in our next program.